Good morning, children. Today I would like to discuss about the gentleman's agreement. Let's discuss the before gentleman's agreement about the SRC Commission. The SRC Commission it was appointed by the central government in 1953. The SRC Commission means State Reorganization Commission. The SRC Commission means State Reorganization Commission. It was appointed by the central government in 1953. In this SRC Commission, central government it considered by three members. Fazal Ali. Those are Fazal Ali and K.M. Panikkar. K.M. Panikkar and H.N. Kunjru. In this SRC Commission, these three members are main. The three members participate main key role in this SRC Commission. Those are Fazal Ali and K.M. Panikkar, H.N. Kunjru. SRC Commission is led by the Fazal Ali. So, because the SRC Commission also called the Fazal Ali Commission, especially the Fazal Ali Commission, after its case of to study. The Fazal Ali SRC Commission, after a long studies in 1955. After a long study in 1955, the Fazal Ali Commission also it recommended to as linguistic states. It recommended to central government a formation for the linguistic states. So in this, the Telangana, the Hyderabad state and Andhra state, those are belongs to the Telugu literature, Telugu linguistic people. So the according to the SRC Commission, the state government also it's recommended to the states. But while Andhra State Assembly it passed a bill unanimous resolution favoring merger unanimous resolution if favoring merger, but the Hyderabad members had serious reservations about merger. Means the almostly the Andhra state region leaders, those are considered and passed a unanimous bill in the Andhra Pradesh, but while in the Telangana state, in Hyderabad state, leaders they are not agree about merge the Hyderabad state to the Andhra state region. So Hyderabad members they had serious reservations. They had serious reservations about the merger. Then later, the Hyderabad state leaders, they worried about the education and employment, especially then after merger of the Hyderabad state, worried about the domination from the coastal region. The worried about the domination from the coastal region to the Andhra state. Then Union government of the leaders, those are made in Delhi. Union government of the leaders, by both sides, the Hyderabad state leaders and Andhra state leaders, both leaders, the union government was made a meeting in 1952. Sorry, 1956. The union government leaders, those were made in meeting in Delhi, in Indian capital, Delhi, in 1956 February 20. Which one? Which in this 1956 February 20, both leaders those are met in Delhi, especially from the Telangana state, Hyderabad state, and from the AP state. Especially in this, from the Hyderabad state, the Burgla Ramakrishna Rao. From the Hyderabad state, the Burgla Ramakrishna Rao and Marri Chennareddy. Burgla Ramakrishna Rao and Marri Chennareddy. Then J.V. Rangarao. J.V. Rangarao and K.V. Rangareddy. From the Hyderabad state, the participated in this meeting in Delhi 1956 February 20, Burgla Ramakrishna Rao, Mari Chennareddy and J.V. Rangarao, K.V. Rangareddy. From this made from the Hyderabad state. Then what about the Andhra Pradesh state? From the Andhra Pradesh, Bejawada Gopal Reddy, Vijayawada Gopal Reddy and Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, then Gautu Lachanna. Gautu Lachanna and Alluri Satyanarayana. Alluri Satyanarayana. Alluri Satyanarayana. From this, especially for in the meeting, from the Hyderabad state, these four members, and from the AP state, from the Andhra Pradesh state, these four members are participated and made agreed in Delhi, 1956, February 20. This agreement is called. This agreement was called the Gentleman's Agreement. This agreement was called the Gentleman's Agreement. The Gentleman's Agreement, it was agreed in 1956 February 20. 1956 February 20. In this time, this is called the Gentleman's Agreement. This agreement is called the Gentleman's Agreement. After a long discussion in this agreement, the Hyderabad state leaders, those are proposal a 14 rules. Those are called, those Hyderabad leaders, those were proposed to 14 rules. Those are called, we made 14 points for the after merge of the Hyderabad state to the Andhra state region. In these 14 points, especially let's discuss minimum 7 points in according to our textbook. In these 14 points, the 7 points are very main important topic points in these our textbooks. Yes, what are the main important points? Especially the first point. The first point in this, according to our textbook, the first point discussed about the administration, the expenditures and the administrations. The first point, the expenditures and administration, it was to the be borne proportionally by the two regions, and surplus revenue from the Telangana region would be spent only for the development region only. It means expenditure and administration would be borne proportionally by the two regions, and surplus revenue from the Telangana region would be spent only for the development region, the Telangana region only. Then what is the second point? Means in this first point, those discussed about the revenue. Those discussed about the revenue. Then next next topic, the second point. In this second point, especially for the education. What are the main in this especially discussed about the education? The exciting educational institutions. The existing educational institutions, the existing educational facility in the Telangana would be reserved for the students from the Telangana region, and admissions to be educational institute to the Telangana. Once again, the existing educational facility in Telangana region would be reserved for the students from the Telangana, and admission to educational institutes to the Telangana. This is the second point. Then about the third point. The third point, it discussed about the Mulki rules. Mulki rules means jobs priority for the locals, priority for the local residencies. In this third topic, in this third point, under the Mulki rules, which only those with a minimum 12 years of the residence, minimum 12 years of the residence, which under the Mulki rules, which only those with a minimum 12 years of the residence in Telangana eligible for jobs, eligible for jobs. Yes, this is the third point. Under the, once again, under the Mulki rules, which only those with the admin 12 years of the residence in Telangana region eligible for the job. This is the third point. Let's discuss about the fourth point. In this fourth point, they would discuss it about a Telangana regional body. In this fourth point, they would discuss it a Telangana regional body. Yes, it was agreed. In this Telangana regional body, it was agreed to set up a regional council statutory body consisting of 20 members from the assembly. 20 members from the assembly by oversees the needs and development of Telangana region. Once again, let's discuss about this. The fourth point, it was agreed to set up a regional council statutory and body consisting of 20 members from the legislative assembly. 20 members from the legislative assembly to oversees the needs and development of Telangana region. This is the fourth point. Then let's discuss about the fifth point. The fifth point about the Telangana agriculture lands. Sale of agriculture lands in this, especially for the fourth point, sale of agri land. Sale of agri land. In this, the fifth point, the sale of agri land in Telangana would be controlled by the regional council. Fifth point, again, the sale of agri land would be controlled. The sale of agri land in Telangana would be controlled by regional council. This is the fifth point. Then next, the sixth point. The sixth point about, in the sixth point especially discussed about the ministry reservations in the assembly. Ministry reservations in the assembly. What about the ministry reservations in the assembly? In this, the AP ministry will consist 40% from the Telangana. From AP ministry will consist 40% from the Telangana state region, and then 60% from the Andhra Pradesh state. Once again, the sixth one, the AP ministry will consist the 40% from the Telangana state, 60% from the Andhra Pradesh state. This is about the sixth point. In this our textbook, the last point about the CM and Deputy CM. CM and Deputy CM. If the Chief Minister, the CM and Deputy CM. If the Chief Minister was from the AP, Andhra Pradesh, from the Deputy CM from the Telangana state. Once again, if the Chief Minister was from the Andhra Pradesh, the Deputy CM from the Telangana. If CM from the Telangana state, Deputy CM from the Andhra state. It's vice versa. These 7 points are main important points in this gentleman's agreement. These 14, these 7 points are main important points in this gentleman's agreement, but finally it's not implemented by the Andhra government. It's not implemented by the Andhra government. Later a lot movements also formed.